How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss Bitcoin, or rather blockchain technology. So Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money. What does it mean? It means it's a decentralized money currency. So it uses P2P or peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or banks. So in India, RBI is the central authority, or banks like State Bank of India, they manage your money. But in Bitcoin, which uses cryptocurrency and it's a blockchain based technology, their transaction and issuing of bitcoins is collectively carried out by the network. So it means that there is no centralized agency to monitor your transaction, and due to which it has become really popular with people. So it does not face the risk of getting collapsed what happened in 2008. Now, if you are an individual, there are certain features that you can do with Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency. So first, you make mobile payments, and you can do all your mobile payments by using Bitcoin, and it is secure because it uses cryptographic signatures that prevents other people from spending your money, and it works everywhere anytime. Now this may be true in certain countries, but certain countries have not regulated bitcoins. India is one of them. So the Supreme Court in its latest guidelines said it is not illegal to transact in bitcoin, but it is not legal also. So it is your own risk. So if you are investing in Bitcoin, risk falls on you. Now, they have fast international payments. Since Bitcoin has gained popularity recent times, in international payments it is being used many times. And you can choose your own fees. So it's just a feature which will I will explain in my later video, and your identity is protected. So it depends upon blockchain technology, which I will explain in my later part of this video. So now question arises is, how does Bitcoin work? So very easily I can explain to you that it uses blockchain. So it's a shared public ledger on which entire Bitcoin network relies. So in simple words, there are transactions and we need someone to validate these transactions. So in blockchain network, they have nodes or blocks. So these blocks are connected, and every block have their address of the previous block, and so this chain continues. And validation ensures integrity and the chronological order of the blockchain, which are enforced with cryptography. Cryptography in simple word means that no one other than you can see what is written or what is message being transferred. So only two people which understand the basic transactions, they can use cryptography. Now they have transaction like private keys. So I will explain in my blockchain technology video. And if you are using your computer for mining, or in other words you are allowing your computer to be used for validation of transactions, you will get something in return, and it is called bitcoins. So earlier, 2 to 4 years before, many people used bitcoins by using their computer networks and mined lot of coins, and now they have become nearly billionaires, or millionaires rather I would say. So it is a very revolutionary technology, and I would suggest that you can also invest your money in bitcoin. Of course it's a bit of risk, but by taking that risk you are also opening yourself for a new opportunity, and you make money out of it in the future. That's it now for guys, and thanks for staying in. I'll see you in my next video.